Ka kunhun menteri ka Sorkar jela hakalai pautrik kala lingkon. Kala Mynjur ya ka ordinance ban penhe ya ka song pisa jong ka contingency fund ka Meghalaya. Siya ka 10,000 san klur tingka. Haba pentip ya ka ni hadin ka jingalang. Umintri rangba ka jela ukon rat ki sangma ulaong. Ngila Mynjur ya ka ordinance jong ka contingency fund ka Meghalaya. Bat ka song na kabenta ka corpus fund la kyntiew siya ka 10,000 san klur tingka. Kenang ban la ban pendap penbiang ya ke jindawa ki badang mi shushu. Haba bataya ka daw halendet jong ka negarai ukon rat ulaong. Ka contingency fund kadai ka jingpen pej hakamang tingka jong ka Sorkar bahadin bakamang tingka kapala Mynjur da ka yeng dorbar kalalun na kabenta ka no kono katanan kadai ki banwanra ya ka supplementary demand kenang ban la ban pelut kambun lada don kam bat hakaba ya ka supplementary demand daya ka ban Mynjur da ka yeng dorbar ka contingency fund ka sya ban pendan kam ya kata ka jingpen bank.
Proposal to amend the and put an ordinance to the contingency fund of Meghalaya, and the amount has been increased. Yeah, so the corpus has been increased to 1,000 crores to meet additional demand. Just to clarify with everybody, what contingency basically fund means is a provision within the budgetary system of the government, where once the necessary budget which has been passed by the assembly is exhausted for a particular department, it has to be then moved through a supplementary demand in order to spend more if required. And while the supplementary demands are to be passed by the assembly in the session, the contingency fund allows that provision to be used. Now, this does not mean that we have contingency fund that comes in and we increase the amount in the terms of the cash flow. The cash and the money is already available for expenditure. But because provisions are not there within the budgetary provisions, since the budget was passed by the assembly, we need to move to the contingency. And even now, as I said, since we have cash available for certain expenditures, the provisions have to be created, and hence the contingency limit has to be increased for us to be able to go ahead with those expenditures, and hence this particular provision was incorporated, and an ordinance has been brought in to increase the contingency fund provision and raised it to 1,005 crores.